Are you looking for the top 5 best miter saws in 2026? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the 5 best miter saws in 2026 on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. Metabo HBD 10-inch single bevel compound miter saw. The Metabo HBD 10-inch single bevel compound miter saw, Model C10FCG2, is a compact, lightweight, and precision-focused power tool ideal for trim carpenters, woodworkers, flooring installers, and DIY enthusiasts. Powered by a robust 15-amp motor that spins up to 5,000 revolutions per minute, this miter saw delivers smooth, accurate crosscuts, miters, and bevel cuts through a variety of materials with ease. Weighing just about 24 pounds, the saw's lightweight design makes it extremely portable and easy to maneuver on job sites or in home workshops. Its Zack Cut shadow line system clearly indicates where the blade will cut, enhancing cutting accuracy and reducing guesswork. The versatile 0 to 52 degrees miter range left/right and 0 to 45 degrees left bevel with positive stops ensure flexibility for angled cuts, while the 42 TCT blade delivers cleaner, smoother results. Additional features like an electric brake for safety, a vise clamping system for secure workpiece support, and a dust bag for cleaner operation make this miter saw a solid choice for both seasoned professionals and weekend builders. Backed by Metabo HBD's 5-year warranty, it combines performance, convenience, and dependable quality. Number 2. Evolution Power Tools R185 SMS Plus Sliding Miter Saw. The Evolution Power Tools R185 SMS Plus Sliding Miter Saw is a versatile, multi-material cutting solution ideal for DIYers, hobbyists, and workshop users who need one saw that handles wood, metal, plastic, and more with ease using a 7-1/4 tungsten carbide tip TCT blade included. Its multi-material cutting technology means a single blade can slice through a variety of materials, from hardwoods and plastics to mild steel, making a practical all-around tool for diverse projects. Featuring a 50 to 50 degrees miter range and 0 to 45 degrees bevel capability, this sliding miter saw lets you make accurate angled and compound cuts, while the smooth sliding action expands cutting capacity for larger workpieces. A built-in laser guide and ergonomic handle support precision and ease of use, and the compact, lightweight design enhances portability and storage. The R185 SMS Plus also includes handy accessories like a dust collection bag, carry handle, and clamp system, helping you work cleaner and more efficiently. With a 3-year limited warranty, it blends performance, convenience, and durable build quality for a wide range of workshop and job site applications. Number 3. Hoteche 8¼ inch 2-in-1 compound miter saw and table saw. The Hoteche 8¼ inch 2-in-1 compound miter saw and table saw offers dual functionality, allowing you to easily switch between compound miter saw and table saw operations. Perfect for woodworking, carpentry, and DIY projects, this power tool eliminates the need for multiple saws, offering excellent versatility for cutting wood, plastic, metal, and more. Equipped with a 10-amp motor and a high no-load speed of 4,500 revolutions per minute, the Hoteche 2-in-1 saw provides the power you need for efficient and precise cutting. Whether you're cutting through thick wood, molding, or plywood, this miter saw ensures fast and accurate results with ease. The miter saw offers a single bevel design, allowing you to easily make angled cuts with a maximum capacity of 45 degrees. The miter cutting capacity includes sizes up to 120mm x 55mm at 0 degrees x 0 degrees and 80mm x 25mm at 45 degrees x 45 degrees, making it perfect for precision cutting and angled crosscuts on various projects, including framing and trim work. The Hoteche 2-in-1 saw features an 8-1/4 inch blade with a 5/8 inch arbor and 24 teeth for smooth, clean cuts. Whether you are performing precise angle cuts or crosscuts, this high-quality saw blade provides a sharpness and durability needed for professional-grade results. Designed for durability and convenience, the Hoteche 8¼ inch 2-in-1 saw is built with a robust construction that ensures long-lasting performance. Its compact design makes it easy to store and move around your workspace, while its user-friendly features such as the adjustable bevel and stable base, offer comfort and control for all your cutting tasks. Number 4. Hoteche 7 to a 1/4 inch miter saw 7.5 a compound single bevel chop saw. Achieve razor sharp accuracy with a built-in laser guide system. Perfect for baseboards, crown molding, and picture frames. The 7.5 inch miter saw ensures straight, splinter-free cuts every time. Ideal for DIY projects and professional woodworking. The high-torque copper motor, 7.5A, 5,000 revolutions per minute, delivers smooth, powerful cuts through hardwood, PVC, aluminum trim, and soft metals. Built for durability and long-lasting performance. This sliding compound miter saw handles tough jobs without bogging down. Cut wider boards effortlessly with the arm that delivers maximum crosscut capacity. Heavy checkmark 90 degrees cuts, 120mm x 45mm, perfect for 2x4 lumber and decking. Heavy checkmark 45 degrees bevel cuts, 85mm x 45mm, great for crown molding and baseboards. Heavy checkmark compound miters, 120mm x 22mm, ideal for angled joints and frames. Get everything you need in one package. 1 pair of extension bars for extra wide workpieces, 2 hex wrenches, quick blade changes and adjustments. 1 dust bag, keeps your workspace clean and debris free. 1 pair of carbon brushes for easy motor maintenance. Designed for Number 5. 10-inch sliding compound miter saw. The compound miter saw is equipped with a robust 15-amp motor, delivering exceptional performance with a no-load speed of up to 5,000 revolutions per minute. This ensures effortless cutting through most materials. Whether working with soft metal or wood, it maintains superior power and speed for smooth, efficient operation. Designed for reliability, the saw includes a transparent blade guard for clear visibility and safe cutting. A vise clamp secures materials for precise cuts, while a dust collection bag keeps your workspace clean and organized. The miter saw supports left miter angles from 0 degree to 45 degrees, and the base can be adjusted on both sides for bevel cuts ranging from 0 degrees to 45 degrees. This dual flexibility enables a wide range of compound angle cuts for diverse applications. Weighing just 25.6 pounds, this portable miter saw features a compact design. Its head can be securely locked into the base using the release knob, maximizing space efficiency for easy storage while enhancing portability and simplifying transportation. Pressing the miter saw head down slightly will make it easier to pull out the release knob. Comes with a complete set of equipment, including 1 Asterisk 36 TCT blade, 2 Asterisk extension tables, and 1 Asterisk Allen key. Choosing Martool Power Tools will get you a 2-year warranty and 24/7 customer support. If you have any product questions, please feel free to contact us.